Hello guys, namaste, Parev, DIP, Son Bonani. Anyway, we have a nice i7 Asus 7th Gen. It's not turning on at all. Let's see what is going on. For the first thing, we will need a thing. We need to connect the DC bench power supply. Let's turn this machine on. I'm trying to find the ground. Let's see. You know what? I can't really see. Let's do this. Let's open this machine. Ithi charger ayikho like cause ingaba la mafethu okugcina singaba charging chip futhi or singaba futhi ama resistor lapho kodwa I doubt ukuthi ama resistor. First the thing mina will do, I'll check MOSFET. Le engavuleki because only getting ama instructions from ilokhuzana charging chip ukuthi ayivuleke noma cha. Yabo. It's a money. It's a P channel MOSFET. You need to find any P channel MOSFET. Izoba nje kanjalo kwenye motherboard. Uyicinga lapho la ikhona. Ngeke uzithole kwenye. Only put it lapho kuphela. Uma ubheka kwi board kumele ubheke from yabo nje manje inoff they normally use them. Kuyine telo ngayibheka. After DC inject. Okay guys, I'm surprised. I never thought that this machine was this fresh. I thought someone did try to do something on this machine. Okay, let's do the magic. Let's go ahead. So what you do, you need to focus on the DC inject. This is the DC inject where the charger goes in. After the DC inject, we have the 19 volts. So when you follow the 19 volts, you will see go straight here. The 19 volts goes straight there. Let me show you this. I've been showing you guys this thing. You have the first MOSFET, you have the second MOSFET, and you have the current sense. So same thing applies on any board. You follow the same pattern. You do the same thing. Let's go ahead. You have the DC inject, right? There it is where you connect your charger. When you follow the DC inject, you will have the first MOSFET. There it is. After the first MOSFET, you have the second MOSFET. There it is. After the second MOSFET, you have what? a current sense. All right. Before we even do anything, let's check for okay. Let's find. Let's inject the 19 volts. Right. Awuzama ukuthi na on and off ubone uzovuleka yini. Ngusuhlanje we turn it on, ishort-theke, we feel we iba ne-short after lapho we cime off futhi. Isi-shorted. Kumele uyenze ibe-shorted, ibe on and off, ubone ukuthi yaspana yini. Yeah, it's on and off, ibe shorted. Nan. More reverse ama probes, still I rate in both directions. I didn't about the charging chip feel. All right, guys. Let's see. All right, I've connected the 19 volts. Now let's connect ground to ground. All right, let's see. I've connected ground on the top of the USB port and I've connected the 19 volts. Let's see if the machine will turn on or not. The machine is not turning on. Not taking any power from the power supply. Put your multimeter into DC mode, voltage mode. We do have 20 volts. Check on these resistors. We do have 20 volts. After that, let's check the output of the second MOSFET, of the first MOSFET. Okay, we do have 20 volts going inside the first MOSFET, but on the output we have 0 volts. All right, so what I was saying was I've connected the 20 volts here, and when I checked with my meter, we do have 20 volts, and then after that, obvious, the 20 volts goes all over until even here, and we do have 20 volts, and then here on the thing, on the currents, on the first MOSFET, we do have 20 volts, but on the output we have 0 volts. We have 0 volts. So what do we do? You push this aside, turn off the thing, turn off the dissipant power supply, switch your meter into continuity mode, put one probe to ground. Let's check for shorts to ground. No short. No short. There is no short. Oh, wait. All right. The issue here, it's very simple. Let's go back. Yabona charging chip yakhona ukuthi njani? Alright guys, let's continue. Anyway, this is how you do it. You go online, you use your phone or anything, and then you type M305 6 M MOSFET, and then online they will tell you whether that's a P or that's an N. They're telling me that's an N channel MOSFET, and I don't believe it. It's true. It's N channel MOSFET. I can't believe this, guys. It's N channel MOSFET, 856M N channel MOSFET. It means they are using an N channel MOSFET. What about this one? That's an M0. You type this number on your internet, on your phone or computer or whatever the case as it is, and then you press enter. They're telling me that's an N channel MOSFET. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Oh shit. Okay, that's an N channel MOSFET, and there's nothing I can do. Okay guys, let's find another replacement. I don't have any choice. They've told me that's an N channel MOSFET. Let's go ahead. Okay, so let me repeat this again. If this MOSFET here, this one is shorted, okay, if it's shorted, this one, the first one won't open power, it won't allow power to pass. If the first MOSFET, if the second MOSFET, it's shorted, as you can see. If you press here and then here, we get a beeping, meaning this is shorted. It's allowing power to pass one way. It needs to be changed. Ngabe ngibhoza ngibanquma boyi-2 same time. Yeah? Uthi ngenzeka kodwa. Uzothini uzolamula bese ekhaya lapha. Zaze kubulela abantu khona ndoda. Okay, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see. I'm gonna try to turn this machine on again. Let's see. We need to check. Let's wait for the board to cool down a little bit. Let's see the moment of truth. Let's check one more time. I wanna see something. No longer shorted. Let's reverse the probes. Ta-da! It's taking 500 milliamps, of which I believe is now turning on. But where's the light? The fan is not spinning. I wonder why. Guys, let's see. Let's connect the screen. There's no display, but I know it's working. Let's see. It's sitting on 500 milliamps. Ah, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Here we go. The machine, it's now working. It's turning on. It's turning on. Anyway, bye-bye. I will see you next time. Don't forget to press the subscribe button.